Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, so today I am going to start exercise 12C from the book of S. Chand. So now here first you have to multiply. So first problem here 12xy multiply with minus 8x square. Okay, so first you have to look at that what is the sign after multiplication. So as here plus and here is a minus, so plus minus minus. Now next thing is you have to multiply the numerical term first. So 12 into 8, that becomes 96. Now the next one, here x and here x square. Now whenever you multiply with the same terms or like terms, then the power will be added. So here power of x equal to 1 and here power of x equal to 2. So here x equal to 1 plus 2, that means 3. So x cube and here y. So minus 96 x cube y is the answer. Now number 3. In number 3, minus 3 by 5 a square b square multiply with 10 by 27 a b to the power 4. So first just write down the sign. So here minus, here plus, so the sign will be minus. Then next write down 3 by 5 into 10 by 7. First write down the numerical term. After that here a square, here a to the power 1, that means a cube. Here b square, here b to the power 4. So 2 plus 4, it's b6. Now here 3 9 the 27, it's 2. So the final answer is minus 2 by 9 a cube b square. Okay, now fifth, minus 11 by 8 x y cube multiply with minus 24 by 55 x to the power 4. So here minus into minus, that becomes plus. Now next one, 11 by 8 into 24 by 55. Then x to the power 1, x to the power 4. So 1 plus 4, that becomes 5, and then y cube. Now 11 cancel out with 5 and it's 3. So final answer is 3 by 5 x to the power 5 y cube. Now sum number 2. In sum number 2, 3, you have to multiply 3aq x cube minus 4ay square plus 7a square y with minus 4x square y square. Okay, so in that case, that means you have to multiply these three terms separately with these terms. Okay, that means first you have to multiply these two, then you have to multiply this one with this one, and then again you have to multiply this one with this one. Okay, so first you have to multiply 3aq x cube with this one. So here plus, here minus, here plus, so it's minus. Now 4 into 3, it's 12. Then a cube a square, so a5, x cube x square, x5, and then only y. So first one done. Now next one, this one and this one. So minus minus, it becomes plus. 4 into 4, 16, a square, a cube, x square, and last one y square, y1, so y cube. Very carefully. Okay, now last one, this one and this one, plus minus minus, 7 into 4, 28, a square, a to the power 4, y square, and last one x square. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, now sum number 3, find the product. Here 3 4. The first expression 6x square minus 11x plus 3. Second expression 3x plus 4. Now in that case, first you have to multiply 3x with each and every term of the first expression, and after that you have to multiply 4 with each and every expression of the first terms. That means first you have to multiply 3x with 6x square, 3x with 11x, 3x with 7. After that 4 with 4x 6x square, 4 with 11x, 4 with 7. So 3x into 6x square, 18x cube. Next 3x with minus 11x, so minus 11 3, 33x square, x1, so x square. Last one 7 into 3x, 21x. Now 4, 6x square with 4, that becomes 24x square, minus 11x plus 4, so it becomes minus 44x, plus 7 plus 4, it becomes 28. Now next thing, here 18x cube as 33x square and 24x square are in the like terms, so you have to subtract it. So that becomes minus 9x square, and here plus 21x minus 44x. So again minus, as 44 is the greater term. Now 44 minus 21, 3, 2. So 23x, and the last term is 28. So that is the answer. Sorry, here I write 3x plus 4 instead of 3x minus 4. In your book there is 3x minus 4, but the procedure is same. So whenever going to do this sum, just write down here 3x minus 4 and then we solve this equation, and there will be changes in the answer. Okay, so just change it. Now next one, sum number 5. A to the power 4 minus a square b square plus b to the power 4. Multiply with a square plus b square. So first you have to multiply a square with each and every term. A to the power 4 a square, that becomes a6, then minus a square a4, and here b square. Now next one, a square b to the power 4. Now next, a to the power 4 plus b square, so write down here a4 b square, then minus plus, so minus a square and b square, so b to the power 4. The last one plus b to the power 6. So first write down a to the power 6. Now as here a to the power 4 b square, here also a to the power 4 b square, and minus plus, so that is cancel out. Next one, a square b to the power 4, here minus a square b to the power 4, also cancel out. So last one b to the power 6. So final answer is a6 plus b6. So here sum number 4, multiply. So there are total 4 sums. Now I am going to show the only one sum. All the sums are same procedure, so I hope you can solve the rest of the sums. So here you have to multiply 3x to the power 4 minus x square plus 6x minus 7 with x square minus 3x plus 4. That means first you have to multiply x square with each and every terms, then you have to multiply minus 3x with each and every terms, and then you have to multiply plus 4 with each and every terms. So it's a long procedure. So x square, this one 3x to the power 6, next x to the power 4, next 6x cube, and next minus 7x square. Okay, I'm going to I'm doing this sum very fast. So now minus 3x, this one, so minus 9x to the power 5, then plus 3x to the power cube, then minus 18x square, and then last one plus 21x. Now the last 3x to the power 4, so it's 12x to the power 4 minus x square plus 24x minus 28. So 3x to the power 6. Now next one, x to the power 5. There is only one, so write down minus x to the power 5. Next x to the power 4. So here minus x to the power 4, here plus 12x to the power 4. So that becomes minus 11x to the power 4. So this. Now next x to the power cube, here x to the power cube, here also x to the power cube. So 6 plus 3, that becomes 9x to the power cube. Now next 7x square, it's minus, here minus 18x square, here 4x square. So 7, 4, 11, and here also minus. So 11, 9, 29. So 29x square. Now last one, 24x plus 21, that becomes 545x, last one minus 28. So that is the answer. Sorry, here not minus, as here 12 plus, so that becomes it's plus x to the power 4. So here exercise 12D, and sum number 1, you have to divide 48 a to the power 4 b to the power 5 c to the power 6 by minus 16 a square c square. Now in multiplication the power will be added, but in division the power will be subtracted from the like terms. So here first 48 by minus 16, and then a4 by a square, then b5 only, and c6 by c square. So that is 3. Here a square and a4, the power will be subtracted, so that equal to a square. Next one only b5, and here c to the power 4. 6 minus 2, that becomes 4. So here minus, that means answer minus 3 a square b to the power 5 c to the power 4. That is the answer. Now number 3, minus 4 by 5 a square b square c to the power 4, it's divided by minus 6 by 15 a b c square. So minus minus cancel out, and here 4 by 5 into 15 by 6 divided, so the denominator fraction will be reciprocal. Now here a square by a, so only a, b square by b, so only b, and c to the power 4 by c square, so c square. Now here 3, here 2 and 3, now 3 cancel out, so final answer 2abc square. So here is a tips: whenever you multiply two fraction, whenever you divide two fraction, that means a by b divided by c by d, okay, then the formula is a by b into d by c. Okay, just remember this formula. Whenever you divide two fraction a by b by c by d, here the formula is a by b, that means the upper one, into the reciprocal of the lower one, into d by c. Now sum number 2. In sum number 2-3, you have to divide. Here 7x to the power 4 y square minus 14x cube y cube plus 35x square y to the power 4 minus 56x to the power 7 y to the power 5 plus 21 y to the power 6 divided by 7x square y square. So in multiplication, you have to multiply each and every terms from the first to with the last one. Here also you have to divide each and every terms by 7x square y square. So first write down the first terms by 7x square y square, then write down the second terms, careful about your sign, third terms 4, so 7x square y square, next 56 x to the power 7 by y5 by x square y square, the last one 21 y to the power 6 by 7x square y square. Okay, now next 7 cancel out, x square x to the power 4 x square y square cancel out. Next 7 14 2, x square x cube, it becomes only x, y square y cube only y. 7 5s are 35, x square cancel out, y square y4, so it becomes y square. 7 8s are 56, x square x to the power 7, that means x to the power 5, y square y to the power 5, that becomes y to the power 3. 7 3s are 21, x square will be there, and y square into y to the power 6, so divide, so that becomes y to the power 4. So here the final answer x square, then minus, then 2xy, then plus 5y square, then minus 8x to the power 5y cube, and the last one 3y to the power 4 by x square. Okay, so now divide 12x square plus 7xy minus 10y square by 3x minus 2y. Okay, so that means these expressions are not monomials. So in that case, you have to divide by the normal division method. So here first write down 3x minus 2y, and it's divided by 2x square 7xy minus 10y square. Okay, so that is a normal division method. So first you have to look that here 3x and here 12x square. So always each and every case you have to equal the first term only. Remember that you have to equal the first term only. That means you have to convert 3x as 12x square. You have to just multiply 3x with 4x to get 12x square. So just write down here 4x. So 4x into 3x, that equal to 12x square, and then write down the rest of multiplication. So 4x minus 2y, that equal to minus 8xy. Okay, so each and every case you have to just remember that you have to just equal the first term only, not the other terms. So here minus, here minus minus plus, as minus minus plus, so this will be cancel out. Here 8 plus 7, that equal to 15xy and minus 10y square. Now next thing, you have to equal this one with 3x. Now if you multiply 3x with 5y, so as here plus, so write down here plus, then 5y, so that equal to 15xy, then plus minus minus 5 into 2 10 y square. So So that is 4x plus 5y, it's your answer. Now sum number 3-6. Divide x cube minus 125y cube minus 15x square y plus 75xy square by x minus 5y. Okay, so here first x cube, and to make x cube you have to first multiply x square with x. So here x into x square, that becomes x cube, and then x square into 5y, that becomes 5x square y. As here x square y, that's why I write 5x square y under these terms. Now next x cube cancel out. So here minus, here plus, 15 minus 5, that equal to minus 10. So minus 10 x square y. Then write down this one, minus 125 y cube, and then the last one 75 xy square. Now next you have to equal this one, 10 x square y. As here x, that means you have to multiply x with minus 10 xy to get 10 x square y. So here after multiplication, minus 10 x square y, and then 10 into 5, 50, x into x, xy into y, that becomes xy square. Okay, so write down here minus 125 y cube, then plus here minus, that becomes 25 xy square. Okay, now next thing here x, and you have to equal with this one, 25 xy square. Okay, so just multiply 25 y square with x to get 25 xy square, and that's why 25 xy square, and then 25 into minus 5y, that becomes minus 125 y cube. Okay, so here the answer is x square minus 10 xy plus 25 y square. Sum number 4-2. 64aq plus 27bq divided by 4a plus 3b. So first you have to equal 64aq, then 4a into 16a square, that becomes 64aq, then 16a square into 3b, that becomes 48a square b. Okay, so cancel out. So first write down minus 48a square b, as there is no like term, so no addition, no subtraction. Just write down the similar terms. So 48a square b plus 27bq. Next you have to equal 48a square b, so multiply with minus 12ab to get 48a square b, and then 12ab into 3b, that becomes 36ab square. Cancel out, then write down 36ab square plus 27bq. Always remember the sign and very careful about that. If you are minus, then the sign will be plus. If you are plus, then the sign will be minus. The last one, plus 9b square into 4a, that becomes 30ab square. 9b square into 3b, that becomes 27bq. Okay, so here the answer is this one. Now sum number 4-4. X minus y, divide, you have to divide x to the power 5 minus y to the power 5 by x minus y. Okay, so first x is 4 into x, x to the power 5, then x4y, minus, cancel out, write down x4y minus y5, the remaining terms. Then you have to multiply x cube y with x to get x to the power 4y, minus, and then y into x cube y, that becomes x cube y square, here minus y5. This will be cancelled out, so write down x cube y square, and the remaining terms minus y5. Again multiply x square y square, again cancel out, you will get x square y cube minus y to the power 5. Then again multiply x y cube into x to get x square y cube, again cancel out, you get x y4 minus y5. Now last term is x y4, so you have to multiply x with y4 to get x y4. So x y4 minus y5, that equal to x y4 minus x to the power 5. Now sum number 5 is the last sum in this exercise. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. In sum number 5, first you have to divide, then you have to find out the quotient and remainder. After that you have to justify your answer. To justify your answer, here the formula, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so first you have divide 9x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 7 by 3x minus 1. Okay, so here 3x square into 3x, 9x is cube, then minus 1 into 3x square minus 3x square, then here plus 3x square, here plus 3, so plus 6x square minus 5x plus 7, then plus 2 multiply, you will get minus 3x plus 7, then minus 1 into this one, minus 3x plus 7. So here finally 6 is the remainder. So here quotient equal to 3x square plus 2x minus 1 and remainder equal to 6 and divisor equal to 3x minus 1. Now I am going to justify my answer to get the dividend. So here divisor into quotient into plus remainder. So 3x into 3x square, 9x cube, 3x square minus 1 minus 6 square. Then 2x into 3x, 6x square, 2x into minus 1 minus 2x. Then 1 into 3x minus 3x, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 6. And finally you will get 9x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 6, which is the dividend. So it's proved.